Diamond is a chunk of coal which did well under pressure. This is one of the quotation I read a couple of minutes before. It's almost 2 at night, and there's so many things which popped up in my mind, and I decided to share all those things to my audience because this experience was very surprising to me, very shocking to me. I was simply wondering how carbon turn into a diamond, one of the most valuable product which is available in our world. Do you know why? Because carbon has the capacity to bear pressure. Carbon is, to my point of view, is one of the greatest absorbent of energy. And to me, pressure is not simply a pressure, it's a kind of energy. So basically, when we talk about a diamond, so diamond is initially a coal which turn into diamond, and it's not a process of 24 hours. It lasts in million of years. So the thing which I figure out was, if you want to be something big, you want to be valuable in this world, in the world of competition, you need to couple of things. I mean, to be valuable: consistency, and second, you need to be absorbent. Whatever people are saying about you, you're a failure, whatever you are criticizing you, you're not supposed to give up. Rather, just spear. Try to enhance your capacity of bearing. So time will come when you will prove to be valuable. You don't need to worry about people, what they consider about you. If you want to be something big, you want to prove you are somebody, you have to change your attitude. It's very important to understand it's whatever we have in this world. I mean, basically we are working around the energy. Einstein gave a concept, E is equal to mc square, is one of the things which is there in our physics, modern physics. One can say that how the mass and speed of light change into energy. This is what we have. I mean, according to this equation. But you know what I was thinking? I mean, if coal, carbon, a very common thing which is easily available everywhere, can turn into diamond, so we are vicegerent of our creator. We are supposed to be the crown of creator. So there must be something within our body. There must be some sort of storage capacity in our body where we can store energy. And you know what? One of the basic difference between diamond and our whole structure, diamond is stagnant. I mean, diamond doesn't have the capacity to transfer energy, but we humans have the capacity. And once I was wondering which organ is there to store energy, so brain, brain is, you can say, 3 to 4 pound an organ which has a storage capacity of 2.5 petabyte. And just to give you an idea what is petabyte is, all around 24/7, 300 years of continuous recording. The data will be almost 2.5 petabytes. So don't you think it's enough data to cope with different type of problems? Believe me, the thing is that we need to know how can we channelize our energy. We human have so much to deliver. I mean, uh, in this world, every single person have some sort of psychological, biological, commercial, economical, different kind of problems. There's so many problems, I even don't know exactly the terminologies, how to refer all those problems. But still, I have a belief. You know what is my belief is all about? if if we concentrate, we know how to deal with energy we have in form of our brain. We can simply channelize our energy, so we will be able to do whatever we want. It's two things is important to achieve what you wanted. And the thing is your consistency. You need to stick with something and keep on doing the same stuff. A time will come, obviously, when you're able to be successful. So important thing is your consistency and how you deal with energy in your body. We are not stagnant. We can transfer energy. So somebody bother you, bug you, there's so many problems you are facing. People call you constant loser, failure. It's break up. So many problems we are working with. I mean, and sometimes, most of the time, we're not able to cope with them. We are, we consider ourselves very weak, but believe me, we are not weak. We are the crown of creature. We must have so many things which are here within ourselves. The thing is, we need to explore our inner self to find what we have. It's treasures of creativity, innovation. We need to channelize our energy if we want to do something good. One thing. Secondly, if we simply consider energy as a biological phenomena, see that we are happy, tear comes out of our eyes. If we are blue, I mean, we don't know how to cope with our problems, and sometimes start screaming, yelling, and start weeping sometimes. You know why? Because we are not able, we consider ourselves nothing, wastage, a piece of tissue paper which is always used by different people and simply throw somewhere whenever it is required. So, I mean, important thing is that we need to understand, if we talk about the biological phenomena, we need to understand it's all about hormones. It's we need to understand what is the functionality of hormones. See that, understand, try to understand. We are happy, tears are here. We are unhappy, we are gloom, we are blue, have the same process. So important thing is we need to know how to tackle our energy. And it's, believe me, for a person who need to be successful, I mean, he must be master at how to deal with the pressure situation. We simply consider football players, oh, he's one of the greatest player of all time. You know why? Because he was not the one who scored the maximum goals, rather he was the one who can tackle the tense situation in more appropriate way as compared to other contemporary players. So try to understand the issues. You have the capacity to deal whatever it is coming to your way. Important is, keep on practicing, keep on thinking, and believe me, very the most crucial thing, you are the hub of energy. It is important not to store energy. Whenever you got some problem, you need to release your energy. It is important. You know why? Otherwise, if you keep on storing energy, stress or pressure, you know, this is one of the major reasons, just to pass by. It's the major reason of cardiac arrest. You know why? Because we are not able to sustain our energy level in our body. So, what is required in a nutshell? I need to tell you one thing: do whatever you like to. Never ever afraid of failure, because it's the failure who will give you a boost. It will give you an idea, the way to success. To my point of view, stress is a blessing in disguise. And I can even tell you there are dozens and dozens of examples we can simply have through holy scriptures. All the best peoples who were the prophets at different eras. You know why they were great people? Because their bearing capacity is far more better than the common people. The greater people have the best tendency to store energy and convert this energy, transfer this energy to other people. And the last thing is, I mean, if you really want to get rid of all your problems, you need to make a connection, a robust nexus between your creator. And if you're able to establish a connection, all the energy you have in your brain, the pressure you have, you need to deliver. And you simply consider whatever is coming to your way, it is the will of your creator. So you need to sustain, and you need to negotiate with this pressure. If you're able to connect yourself with your almighty, with your creator, you will be able not only to release your energy in a productive way, but a time will come you will be satisfied. There are a couple of things which are attached to energy and conversion of energy and how can deal with the stress. According to the biological phenomena, one can say that people who work out so much, what we used to do when we work out, we stress our muscles. We keep on pressurizing on our muscles. There's a sort of combination of different bondings. Whenever you are at tense situation, same is the case. When there is a release of hormones, the different hormones, it's basically due to the result of different kind of bondings which are continuously happening in our body. It's a metabolic process, it's a synthesis and deterioration of different things. So it's only you're dealing how to deal with the pressure situation, you will be able to not only overcome your problems, but at the same time you can be helpful, you can motivate, I mean, the other people by having your connection to your almighty. So that's why the thing which I need to explain is that don't worry whatever is coming to your way. Important thing is that establish your link with your creator, so you can simply boost your energy, and whatever you have in form of energy, you can simply transfer your energy to the betterment of other people. And believe me, if you are able to connect all this stuff, a time will come you will be more contented as compared to other people. This is I have for all of you till now. Take care and hope to see you again. Till then, Fi Allah and bye.